Hey guys, welcome to our channel.
Yeah, you're
so tonight
welcome.
we are going to take you on a drive around the city of Enugu at night. This is past actually to 10 actually.
Yes,
so and on a Monday like this, we want to take you on a drive on what Enugu looks like
at night.
So we are starting this drive from Ogui Roundabout, where we have
our beautiful decoration. Like I'm so excited. I'm smelling Christmas now already.
So that is it. We are starting to drive from there. So we'll take you through New Haven,
Cubana, and then we're going to end at Unity Park. So please subscribe if you've not, and like this video. Drop a comment at the end of the day. Let's know if you're excited about Christmas like we are.
This is the view of Enugu. We've passed Chicken Republic in New Haven, we've passed in Tachiosa, and a lot of supermarkets along the road. So we're approaching Open Sheraton. So normally before now, Enugu used to be well lighted than this.
Yes.
So but this, you can see from the video, the street lights are not even working properly well. So the lights on the streets actually from shops, supermarkets that are open. So this Otigba, you can see, because there are no shops around here, you see the way it is dark. So but there are street lights that are actually not working along this path. So Market Square, yeah, that's Market Square over there. So like she said earlier, it won't be a long drive. We'll just take you through Bisala,
Cubana,
to Cubana Axis, and just see how it is.
We'll end in Opara Square. Yes, cause that's the best view of Enugu at night. Unity Park. You really want to see what that looks like.
Yeah. So we're entering Bisala now. Bisala Road. As at 2015, 2016, these street lights were very bright. You could off your car light at night to drive at Bisala Road. But thank God some of the street lights are still working.
Yes, I think this place is way better. Yeah,
it's way better than New Haven. Virtually all the street lights in New Haven are packed. So but Bisala still have some street lights on. Alright. This Adig suit along Lagos Street.
Funny how Lagos has a street in Enugu.
This Lagos Street, some of their street lights are still working. This will have Pinecrest. It's cool. So we just take you. Yeah, let's take you on a view of what Cubana Axis look like at night. And mind you, this is Monday night.
Yes, Monday night.
This video had been maybe Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday
night. You can imagine how busy this place will be.
The place will be very, 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 very busy. But the traffic around this axis at night used to make me avoid here. Yeah, this is former Extreme, which has been sold. It used to be a club, but no club there again.
It's not a lounge.
Yeah, just a lounge.
This used to be Indomie spot.
We used to eat Indomie there. So you can see all these our sisters
in the Lord.
Doing their ministry along the road. This is Cubana. So Cubana has it. There's a new hotel around here called OUD. You can see our sisters very plenty around Cubana. So this is spices, the popular spices. That's Opara Square now.
Yeah.
Where we'll have the Unity Park. This place is very lit.
Yes, like
you could see paint on the ground. You know, so I really like this spot in Enugu. I really wish Unity Park is functional at night. Here would have been one of the best places.
Because see,
so we can see inside.
So beautiful.
So beautiful at night. The light inside is so bright. So bright, so bright, so bright. I really wish they are functioning at night. It would have been very, very nice for people. You know.
Romantic getaway.
I'm telling you, it would have been awesome. So this is Unity Park, Pine Forest. An interesting view. An interesting view. An interesting view.
So guys, we hope you enjoyed this night drive as much as we did, and let us know if you would like to see more drive through like this. We'll be more than excited to give it to you. And don't forget, tomorrow Vlogmas series is starting. Vlogmas is starting tomorrow, and we can't wait to show all the lovely videos we have to share with you. We'll catch you in our next video.